Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Friday. Welcome to another video. So sorry that I didn't have a video for you guys up on Wednesday, but I have been in the middle of DIYing. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Got a little bit of paint. Rob and I have been working on my Copic case, and it's taking way more time than I thought it would. So I've been painting. I finished the final coat of paint today, and then tomorrow I will varnish it and then let it dry probably 3 or 4 days, and then it'll be good to go. So yeah, so you can see the progress pictures over on Instagram or Facebook. For anybody wondering, this is the paint I'm using. It's Bright Aqua Green. It's Bright Aqua Green by Studio 71. I just picked this off Amazon. This is 16 full ounces. You may not need this much, but I figured this color matches my room. It's what I want, and if I end up adding more cubbies to this storage container, then I'll be good to go. I'll just have to buy the boxes. So anyway, yeah, so today, this came in the mail. So I'm actually filming this on Thursday night, but it's going up on Friday. So this is my very first Brutus Monroe inspiration box. From what I understand, and if you get them on the regular and I make a mistake, please correct me. I'm pretty sure they only do Brutus Monroe branded items, and it's a mix of stuff. So sometimes it's like, I don't know, mixed media stuff. Let's just take a look at it. How about that? But isn't this the cutest ever in your life? Oh, cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull all this out of the box. And this is how the box came. This is a really nice box. Got my address on the bottom. I love that they don't cover up the branding with the thing. So this is the kit. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my word. Oh my word. So let's get everything out of here. Ooh, I see sequins. Ooh, and shimmer paper. Oh, that's real pretty. Okay, Misty. Okay. So, I'm pretty sure every month comes with flair, and that's just a little enamel pin. Isn't it cute? This is what the stamp of the month was, I believe. Honestly, don't know what I did with that stamp. Oh, by the way, please ignore my nails. I had to take them off for painting purposes, and I'm gonna redo them this weekend. So there's that. Get a little sun stencil. Get some ribbon. So gold, and then like a pinky rose gold, and then a more maroon. These feel like really fall colors to me. Get a hyper pigment. I believe these are just like watercolors. Like you can just use them to color. They're just a pigment. This is in rose gold. And I've never played with these before. So the next video you see will be me using items from this kit. It's really pretty. It's very sparkly. Sparkly! Let me put it back in this. Look like there are a couple of dies. So you get, oh, some flowers. That's fun. Sorry if I'm a little out of breath. We just ate. And I'm full. Oh yeah, so you could build some flowers. So you get, and you get some centers, some leaves. Fun. So I believe with shipping, this was $42. Whoa. How about we don't lose that, Misty? I can't tell you if that's a good deal or not because I haven't used it yet. But, I lost my train of thought. So then you get some sequins. These are gold and copper, maybe gold and brown. Really pretty. And then this is cards maybe? I don't see a sheet that tells me what's in this. I'll have to go look it up. Oh, I think you can color on these. Yeah, you can add color to these. That's pretty cool. Wait, someone called these foilies? I think you can foil these or color them. So they must be printed onto a toner with a laser printer. So I think you can add foil to these. Yeah. I've only watched a couple of unboxings. Like I didn't want to spoil it for me, but I wanted an idea of what to expect. And then of course you get this stamp set, and this is called Mouse Friends. Now sometimes you can buy the stamp sets by themselves. I'm pretty sure the cute little one with the animals with the cat eye glasses was a kit for Valentine's Day, and then you could buy it separately, but so cute. Thank you for your teamwork. Make a wish. It's so nice to know you. Thank you, my friend. Sunny days are ahead. And again, the cute little image. That's so cute. So we get some cardstock. So this is a brushed metallic gold. And like I mentioned, I'm pretty sure this is Dari's, so maybe not. So there's that one. And then you get, this is really, really thin. Like this is like this is like copy paper. Maybe a little thicker than copy paper. This is like the Recollections cardstock that you get at Michael's, not the thick one, the regular one. Not saying that it's bad, but this is way more layering cardstock than it will be for card bases. So yeah. So that's it. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I was expecting something a little different. It's not bad at all. I'm not saying it's bad at all. Because you did get, we did get a pretty good amount of stuff, but these colors don't scream July to me. And it could be because as crafters, we craft, a couple of months ahead. And again, not a big deal, but I don't know, just with the artwork on the front of this artwork is just so bright and vibrant and fun. And we got very muted fall, autumn colors. But the good thing is that this is a stamp set and we can make it however we want it to be. And I can always save these supplies and use them for another season or other cards, etc. So I'm not happy. I don't want it to come across like that. I think I was just expecting a bit more. And I think some months, maybe a bit more. I think you're guaranteed a certain number oh my word, brain, it's been a long day. A value of product, I think. I didn't do a very good job. You know what? This is the reason why. Because I went and clicked on their about page for the subscription and it doesn't give you any information. It just goes to an empty page. So it doesn't give you a whole lot unless that's changed and I just missed it. But anyway, so like I said, not disappointed. Just a little, maybe I am going to say I'm disappointed. I am disappointed. I was hoping for something a little bit more bright and vibrant, but I am going to play with everything. And again, I may not use everything right now, but I can always use this stuff later as the seasons progress. So that's it, guys. Let me know down below if this is something that you've picked up, if you subscribed. I actually did this, someone recommended it. And I'm not saying that you're wrong. Please don't take it that way. But I just, like I said, compared to what the preview image was with this, they just don't match. So, and that's okay. But yeah. So I may give them one more month, and if I don't like it the next month, then I will just go back to buying the stamp sets, which I love. I think it's adorable. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had an amazing week. Hopefully we'll see you Monday with a Q&A, and then maybe Wednesday or Friday with some cards using this kit. All right, thank you guys so much. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.